guys, it's Panda and All-Star here, coming with the cell phone charger video for my R6. It's going to be a SAE to USB connector to the motorcycle. And what we're going to have here, a couple of things you're going to need for the connection. You're going to need a drill. You're going to need Allen wrench keys. You might need one. Oh shit, it's down there. And these are cables to the battery terminal that you're gonna need. You had to purchase that separately on Amazon. It didn't come with it. And this is the SAE charger. It has an on and off button, so you can turn it on and off. Then you have the USB cell phone charger that we're going to connect to it. Bought that separately, so it's a shorter cable. Then you have scissors and Velcro that to use to put the charger on the bike. All right guys, so we're going to go ahead and start. We got to take the seat off, lift up the tank, and get the connector. So here we go. All right guys, we're about to take the seat off. We got to unloosen these bolts here with this Allen wrench, and then we'll remove the seat so it'll be fully exposed so we can get to the battery terminal. Got those two out. Seat off. All right, y'all see all these wires? That's mainly for my LED lights that I got going on here. We're gonna move to the tank. Undo the tank. The two screws in the tank. That's my LED power button. I have it right there, so it's easy access. And this is going to be awesome because every time we go for a little ride or something and out for most of the day, my phone go dead and I need a charger. So this would be great. Won't have to worry about my phone going dead. So after we unloosen the tank, we got to come back here to the battery terminal. You're going to need your drill for the battery terminal. I'm fucking electrocuted, Emma. Oh shit. Falling apart. Alright, one screw out. First one took so long, but there we go. Screws out, and we're gonna get the battery terminal cables. Got to take the little zip ties off of them. All right, so this piece right here needs to go up under the tank because it's going to connect to the charger. This piece right here, guys. So we'll leave that out. And these are the cables that need to be put on. Okay guys, this is the fuse to the battery terminal charger. If it ever goes out or you're having problems with it charging, check your fuse. You can pop it out and replace it and put a new one in, okay? All right, so we're about to connect this now. Hopefully it don't give us a hard time. So this silver one, that's my lights, guys. That's why you see that light, that that wire. I think that's good. Just keep spinning. All right, on to the next side. Make sure all your connections are in there. Now we got to take this wire and run it up under our tank. Now run this cable up under your tank, or under this metal part here first. And run it under your tank. It's a little long, so you don't need all that. So remember, this was the cap that was on it. Take the cap off, and we got to connect it. A little hard to push down, but I think it's in there. It's working, guys. That's what we want. And here is the USB ports. You got 2 of them. Turn it off. We in there. So I'm gonna put it, my phone sits right here. I think I'm gonna sit it right here. That's where I'm gonna attach it to. All right, so these wires, that's where my zip tie, I think it fell. It's gonna come in at. Fold it up nice and pretty so we can tuck it somewhere. I don't know where we're gonna tuck it, but we're gonna find a place. All right, guys, it's a little loose, so I'm gonna get a screwdriver to hand tighten it. It was too much power in the, and put the seat back on. You gonna let me do it, huh? That's gonna fit. Is it supposed to snap? No? Put the bolts back in your seat. Need a little muskers. Screws back in the tank. And then we're gonna Velcro that piece on. Right there. Stick the Velcro on and put it in place. Press down on it, make sure it's secure. She ain't going nowhere. We got a charge. It's working, guys. We successful. Yay. So that's it. The little cord is just long enough for my phone to sit right here with the charger. You guys see that? I didn't put it in place. I just placed it up there. So the cable, the USB charging cable is 2 foot, I believe, or 1 foot. It's 2 foot. Like I said, I'll put the links down below for everybody that's interested. So everything is good. Lights work. Charger works. Everything working. That's it, guys. All right, guys, it's Panda Rides. We finished the install. Hope you guys like the install. If you got any questions, let me know down below in the comments. I'm gonna put all the products in the links below. If you have any questions for me, put them in the comments and I'll be glad to answer for you. All right.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's